Okay, so on the home straight now, we just got to put a base into our serving tray. Here we are looking at the top isometric top view down. So what we're going to do is rotate that so we can see the base of our tray, and you can click on the little corner of our view cube there. Going to go create new sketch, pick a face that is the bottom of our tray, and then just position it so that you can see it all. If you wanted to, you can rotate that 90 degrees to give you a bit better fit in the screen, perhaps. Okay, so there's all of our tray there. What we're going to do is go to project, and we want to project the inner edges, and it will overlap a little bit here. So we can project that. That would be one way of doing that. The other way we could do that is just to draw a 2D sketch, snap it to the corner, bring that out, and snap that to the other one. If it won't snap to the corner that you've got there, you can try turning the snap on. Let's see if this works. It's snapping to the grids, not what we want. Let's turn that off. Let's just go to project, and we're going to project. So if we zoom in a little bit, you should be able to project that little dot there. All right, that makes life a little bit easier. Let's try that again. 2-point rectangle, pick the corner. It'll snap to that corner. Okay, so that's the inner edge of that. What we're going to do now is we're going to apply an offset to this. So offset, and we are going to offset that by, let's try 6mm and see how that looks. Go OK. And what we've done is we've got like 2 rectangles now. So that's the first one that we did, and then the other one that's here. We're going to go finish sketch. We're going to go extrude and select the rectangle that we've drawn. And I'm going to just turn this around a little bit so we can see what's going on here. And then we're going to, for a distance, we're going to make that a distance of -6. And go OK. And what you've done is you've applied a rebate all the way around your pieces there of 6mm, and it should be all there. Double check everything. Oh, we've missed one. Okay, so if we've missed something there, we can right click on that, go edit feature, and just make sure that we click on that one there as well. Go OK. Why won't that cut? Edit feature, objects to cut, click on that body. So you can select other bodies there to cut or not cut. That's better. And now we've got our rebate all the way around. Okay, we're going to go to just do a quick save. Then we're going to go create, and we're going to go new component. We're going to call this component here bottom. It is the parent top level that we're doing. Go OK. Create a sketch. We're going to sketch on that face that's there, or select the bottom edge of what you've got. And what we can do is we can actually turn on the sketches that we've already used. So if we go back to this, you can see that we can see that sketch there. We can create maybe. Let's see whether we can project that. Project. Let's go. Is it going to let us do all of that? No. Let's go this one and select the outside edge of the sketch that we did before. Go OK, and then go finish. We're going to go extrude, and we're going to do that, and make sure that you get the outside edges. Turn that around. Distance becomes -6mm. And it's going to go into that. We're going to create that as a new body. Go OK. And if we go home and go to the top level, we can see our tray there. I'm just going to turn that sketch off again that we had turned on. There's our tray there. If we wanted to, we can go right click on the bottom. Physical material, we'll make that pine. It'll be probably plywood, but we'll put that in as pine. Go close. And there we go. And if you wanted to, we can still see a bit of a sketch there. So we can actually hide that by turning off the sketches in each one of these. Hide our origin. And there is our finished tray. So easy as that. That's what we've got to do and what you're going to make. And then we're going to do some drawings from that. So hopefully you've been able to follow those along the videos and they help you to get what you want to do. See you in the workshop.